Here's a question that trips up even experienced developers. Describe a query to rank employees by salary within each department. The key word here is within. Most candidates write a query that ranks all employees globally, completely missing the department grouping. Let's fix that. SQL gives you 3 window functions for ranking. Rank assigns the same rank to ties and skips the next number. So if 2 employees tie for first, the next one gets rank 3. Dense rank also gives ties the same rank but doesn't skip numbers. 2 people at rank 1 means the next is rank 2. A row number ignores ties entirely and assigns a unique sequential number to every row. Choose based on whether you need to handle ties or guarantee uniqueness. The magic happens with PARTITION by. This clause tells SQL to restart the ranking for each department instead of ranking the whole table. Think of it as creating invisible groups. Each department gets its own ranking sequence starting from 1. Without PARTITION by, you'd rank everyone together and lose the within each department requirement entirely. This is the most common mistake in interviews. Here's the complete syntax. Select employee name, department, salary, and then rank over with PARTITION by department and order by salary descending. The over clause is where the ranking logic lives. PARTITION by creates the groups. Order by defines what determines the rank. Descending means highest salary gets rank 1. You can use dense rank or row number instead of rank depending on your tie handling needs. This query is syntactically correct and production ready. Let's see it in action. We have employees in sales and engineering. In sales, Alice earns 90,000 and gets rank 1. Bob at 80,000 gets rank 2. In engineering, the ranking restarts. Carol at 95,000 is rank 1 in her department, not rank 3 overall. That's the power of PARTITION by. Each department has its own independent ranking sequence. Remember, window functions with PARTITION by let you rank within groups, not across the entire table. Master this pattern and you'll handle any grouped ranking question. Practice with Interview Mentor to nail your next SQL interview. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.